Look, it's Mila. Look, Mila, you want to give your brother big hugs? Oh, that's such a good sister. Good job. Hi, Luke. Cheese. Is that what you're saying, cheese? Hi, little man. Let's see if we can get Luke to show us his teeth. Huh? Mila, let Mama do it. Let Mama do it.
I can see.
Look at those teeth down there. Wow.